name is Darla Sealander. I'm a blacksmith in Coatmish, Michigan. Welcome to my shop. I've been a blacksmith for 20 years. I started out horseshoeing, and the reason for that was because I was very dissatisfied with the quality of horseshoeing I was getting, so I thought, I'm going to go to school and learn to do it myself. I've never been afraid of a challenge or hard work. Blacksmithing is hot, heavy, hard work, but it's extremely rewarding. I create custom hand-forged pieces for my clients, and every day is a new challenge, and every day is a new reward. There is nothing so satisfying as seeing the looks on my clients' faces when I present them with their piece of hand-forged artwork or furniture for their living. Anyway, let me get some heat going here, and I'm going to show you how hot and hard and heavy it is. Going here, and the saying goes, the blacksmith strikes while the iron's hot. My philosophy in blacksmithing is I make no mistakes. There's only design changes. That's the beauty of working with raw steel, is having the determination and talent and eye to look at it and change it to whatever you want it to be. But at the end of the day, it is exhausting work. It's hot, dirty, and there's nothing more that I enjoy than kicking back and having a cold one. And I feel that no excuses, no complaints. I've earned it. Thank you for coming to my shop.
Real good.